So I go to wash my hands, and remember, I heard that cat meowing. I found him. What are you doing up there, bro? You should come down. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of Tuner Things. My name is Steve. Hanging out here again with my son, Adam.
Hi.
He's over there.
Hi.
Yep. Okay, so, oh, everything's coming out. I just screwed this one up. Anyway, I got some new tools. This is nothing really too fancy, but I got a panel popper. That's for the Integra to do the speakers. And then I got a magnetic spark plug socket, which is cool. Yep, you brought your tools out. And then I got a pump because I'm gonna be doing transmission fluid on the Integra. Right now, we're going to be putting in bolts instead of screws onto the spoiler and also running some silicone because it's been snowing and I didn't get a chance to do that. So I need to do that before it snows again. So let's get to it. Alrighty, y'all, so this is what I picked up. Window and door siliconized acrylic caulk. It's clear, waterproof seal. It should do just fine for windows, doors, trim, baseboards, and siding, so that should be fine. And basically I'm just gonna go and seal up the holes on the underside here. All right, let's slice this up and see what we got going on here. Damn, dries clear in 7 to 14 days. Oh my God, don't get this stuff. That's ridiculous. Come on there, I'm gonna squirt a little bit of caulk. I'm gonna tighten this down a little bit. Love this. Squirt the caulk in here. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Just wiping this off here. And we'll wipe this off here. I'm not too concerned with this.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And the screw, right?
Oh, that's so much better. All right, now rinse and repeat on the other side here. All right, guys, so the trick here is to put it in before you put the screw all the way in, the bolt all the way in. You know, I'm not even actually gonna clean these up at all. So this one went on a lot better. Now it's extremely secure. Before it was a little wobbly. I highly recommend that if you guys get the Carbon Creations wing, you stop at a hardware store and replace these because, oh man, and they came all stripped out too. They came like that. Like, look at this. Look at that. And then like, so I should probably replace all these now that I'm thinking about it. Just get some new hardware for it. And I want to clean off that Sharpie. But yeah, it's on there right now. Like, look at this bolt. Look at that screw, man. Why would it come like that from the factory? I mean, they're all mangled. So yeah, I would definitely recommend replacing these. They were like rusted and funky. It only cost me $3. Only cost me $3. So up next, we have brakes, front and rear pads and rotors. And then what else do we have to do? What else we gotta do, big guy?
Kiddo and and screw a hole and go underneath there.
That's right, we do need to do the oil. You're 100% correct.
And
He keeps them in check.
Here, okay?
We will have to go underneath there, and also coilovers shipped. So that's good. We'll be having some coilovers soon.
The next day.
What you got, buddy?
Some more things.
You got your gloves, you got your tools.
Yep.
And what are we gonna do right now?
Just putting brakes on.
Yep, we're fixing the brakes. Next day, back out here. Got some drilled slotted for the front and the rear.
This one just quiet, right? This one's quiet.
No, that drill's a little loud, but we're only using it for a little bit right now.
How do you use that one, baby?
Because that one doesn't work for what I need it to do. Last night I ordered some wheels. They ship out on Tuesday, and super hyped about that. So we got the wheels, we got the coilovers coming, and yeah, definitely gonna do these brakes.
That's two wheels, right?
That's my brakes, buddy.
I got my drill too.
Good.
My drill was really loud and quiet.
Oh, it's loud and quiet.
Yeah.
Oh.
And also that too big.
So it does look like I've got some pad left. I don't know if that would come in. It does look like I have some pad left, but I would just much rather replace it, do all of them, and just be done with it. Yeah, it's looking like I've got a torn CV boot right there, so that needs to be addressed. Let's see what else. Hold on one second, buddy. Torn motor mount here, so I need to fix that. And then also, I need to do my control arms up here, upper control arms. So that bushing is jacked. But I do believe I actually have some for this, so. Not gonna lie, I just spent like a good, what's up, Apollo, where are you? Where's my kitty? I hear him. Anyway, I just spent a good 45 minutes trying to get this one rotor off, and I finally did it. Here, I ended up busting off a bolt right here. I'm gonna try and get that out. Yeah, what a pain in the ass though. So I'm gonna honestly take a little bit of a break, and recuperate, wash my hands, change my batteries and everything, and get back to it. So I go to wash my hands, and remember, I heard that cat meowing. I found him. What are you doing up there, bro? You should come down. All right, feel refreshed. Got my bang. Bang, bang. Okay, so we got this guy off. This was the ticket right here. I mean, I know to use that as a back off, but you know, all the other ones broke. This other one snapped off there, so. All right, put my gloves back on so I don't get my hands all jacked up again, and get to it.
I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it, then I'm never going up, going up, going up. going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it, then I'm never going. I get to it out the runway. Different incomes, not one way. Living life on a one way.
Alrighty, y'all. So I got it back on. Took about 25 minutes. Honestly, I have a stud that's gonna need to be replaced. Yeah, so I'll just handle that when I get my wheels in a couple days. So I have to order one of those, which kind of sucks, but give me the opportunity to just replace all 4 on this side. Okay, yeah. So on to the other side. And look how disgusting that wheel is. That is gross in there. Yeah, I gotta do my control arm on this side too. All right, let's get to it. All right, y'all, had to switch to my phone here. On the last wheel, I had no idea that you had to turn the caliper to get the piston back. That was a pain in the ass until I figured that out, but I did figure it out. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one done and kind of losing daylight here, so get it knocked out. All right, y'all, well, hopefully I don't die. Jesus. All right, I'm gonna go for my first trip. Whew. Those back ones were sketchy, but they're all done. Ooh, lordy. There we go. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down and get this taken care of. Damn, it feels like I have no brakes. All right. All right, y'all. Well, there you have it. This thing's pretty bad. Did the little bed-in procedure. Yeah, so good thing I remembered to torque down my lug nuts before I did all that. It could have been bad. Anyway, it's all done. I guess that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, Cub Scouts.